Are you telling me that you built a time machine out of a DeLorean?
Alright, so check out World of Wayne if you want some proper build vids. I will show a little more in this video probably, because I'm pretty excited about, this one's cool, and then getting the base in. Check out Joey Cuz as well. Encourage him to keep making videos, because I was trying to learn from him. Now I'm just trying to beat him to the punch. And I think I'm a little ahead of him so far in the build. Although, he gets his shipments about a week before I do. Joey, step up your game. Alright, issue 31 through 34, plus the third binder. Ooh, yes. Oh, finally! The battery compartment. So we're starting to get into some electrical stuff. Finally. Alright, the maddening part about a lot of this process is flipping over your chassis, because you have the engine work and all that stuff there. A lot of parts that can be damaged. You can't just flip it over on your table. So try to utilize your boxes the best you can. We'll put on these couple of panels here. This one goes there. Oh God. I can see this doesn't actually fit. Well, for such a simple issue, this was a pain in the butt. These little plates here, you got to kind of push them down because they don't really line up. There's gaps, so you got to push them down and get the screws started and all that stuff. But I got to take Joey's advice, and these screwdrivers are trash that came with the kits. They're all stripped out now and everything. I got to go to Lowe's or someplace. Alright, I just completed issues 31 through 38, which was 2 months shipments, because they generally send you 4 issues a month. So this last month we actually got the free base, and that's a shiny mirrored surface there. It looks dull because I've left the plastic cover on it that you normally peel off for now, and also there's a plastic protective film on the Back to the Future logo, but I just wanted to put it up there. I'm going to leave those on until I'm done with this thing so I don't scratch up the surface until display. Finally, I mean, feel like I'm getting a little more progress here. Still got a long way to go. Finally getting some electrical wiring and stuff like that run. What I do find annoying is just the constant random parts that have no place to go at this time. I mean, I get why they did this as the first, like the first issue or whatever, to try to get you to, I mean, it's cool looking, so it made a statement, and the fender and that type of stuff, but come on. And now I've got these things, and apparently we got stands that tuck up under the frame and actually lift the whole chassis up so it's off the wheels, so I'm sure that'll be important for future building. And we're on the third binder. It's about halfway full now. Those books are pretty cool. A lot of cool Back to the Future information in there, but just want to kind of show the progress. I know a lot of you are not interested in this, and really it's a pain in the butt. But I'm going to see it to the end. This thing is going into my will, so my wife doesn't just sell it for $5 at a garage sale after I'm gone. because I think it has a little more value than that. At least I'm paying a lot more in the long run. Also, shout out to Joey Cuz. I don't have him out, but yeah, get yourself some good screwdrivers. He's using some Cobalt screwdrivers. I'm using something very similar from Craftsman, bought at Lowe's. Yeah, my local Lowe's is selling Craftsman brand. But, oh, there's my phone. Gotta go. Boom.